Hey folks, Sky Pilot here, out in the field again. Not quite as windy as last time. I do have the Rekon 5, the HGLRC Dave C inspired Long Ranger dry blade props. A couple of reviews on this already. Last time I was here, I was flying the 18650 pack just to see how long I would fly for. And look, the Rekon 5, I'm saying around 20 minutes is 20, maybe 25 is actually the best you're going to get. But we're not doing a battery test today. Today we're just going to do an old-fashioned range test. Last time I was out here, I think I flew around 1.5 kilometers without any issue at all. So I'm hoping to probably push, fingers crossed, to about 2k for this analog setup, which will be pretty fantastic. 800 milliwatt VTX this thing sports. I'll put the camera down a bit so that we can shoot along. So this will probably be a fairly fast video. I'm only envisaging this 1500 LiPo on the roof here to last for about 10 minutes. So let's see how we go. Good to see you. Thumbs up, guys. Drop me a comment. Thanks for stopping by. Let's see how far the Rekon 5 will actually go. Let's go. Running the TBS diamond thingy-majigamy antenna on the Radio Master. The TBS patch on the front there with a double header axis luminaire. Need to remember I need to keep facing this way. I always seem to look the wrong way when I'm going long range. Of course, these patch antennas, you need to stay focused where your quad is, otherwise you can lose your long range capabilities. Okay, 17 satellites with the warm-up battery, so I've plugged the 1500 straight in. Get the goggles recording, looking good. Altitude 184 kilometers an hour, distance from home. Okay, got that antenna bent. Let's take off. Let's see how far the Rekon 5 will actually fly. A little bit heavier with the 4S on top. This 4S is actually lighter than our 18650 Lion, so that's interesting to know. Let's just make sure I'm facing the right way. And my head is actually looking up. Hello, and yes, alrighty. Range test, let's go. 100 meters. Maintain an altitude of, what is it, about 5 meters. Okay. 300 meters. As I said, I'm not cruising, guys, I am punching straight down there. It's a little bit windy. This isn't a battery test, this is a range test. Let's go. 600 meters. Like I said the other day, 27 meters height, that's pretty good. Let's head over to the island. The other day I got 1.2, no problem at all. I can't see today being too much different. Let's just get a bit of height. Fairly certain I'm still looking the right direction. Okay, there's our kilometre. 1.1. Okay, this is as far as I went last time with the Lion pack before I turned around. 1.2. 8 meters. Oh, not too sure. Something with the altitude. We're going to stick around 3 meters. 1.5 kilometers. Sorry. Going fairly well. Like I said, 2 kilometers. I'm pretty happy to turn around because I'm not getting chicken like that. You really have to get 2k. okay out of this though, with this analog setup. Terrific. So fingers crossed, guys. It's starting to break up a little bit. Looking over towards that road, and yep, 2Ks. It's just starting to break up. Let's get a bit of altitude. Okay, we're starting to get a bit fuzzy. How much further shall I go? 2.1, 2.2 kilometers, guys. Wow. 2.2, 2.3. Okay, I can go further, but I'm not going to. I'm a hell of a long way from home. I'm really happy with 2.3 Ks, folks. Really, really happy with that. Big question is, am I going to be able to get home with this LiPo pack? That's going to be the question. I hope so. Yes, nervous silence, folks, I'm afraid. Sorry. Nervous silence. It's home. I'm somewhere over here, I think. I'd love to have a little play around here, but I'm not going to because I just want to get back home. 2.5 kilometers, folks. Yeah, feel free to smash that keyboard while you're watching. Let me know what you think. Have you gone further? I could have actually gone further, but I was looking at my voltage meter, and I am very mindful of the fact that I'm not going to get back. And luckily I can hear her, and I'm pretty sure I'm just down here. Welcome home, Rekon. What a fly. You little ripper. That was really good, guys. I'm really impressed. Massively impressed. Still got a bit of battery power left too. How long have we been flying for? Okay, 5 minutes. Not too shabby. Under normal conditions, being fairly gentle, you can get about 10 minutes from this LiPo. 1500 milliamp. Dynegy, I believe it is. I'll have all the links down below, of course. Alright, let's bring it home. Well, have a look at that, guys. Welcome, Rekon 5. So that was decent, guys. The Dynegy 1500 130C. This is the graphene, a bit lighter than your Lion pack. Good for 10 minutes, good for a range test. Wasn't this windy, I would have gone a little bit further. Especially now I can see that I had an extra few minutes, probably 2 minutes of flight time, so I got back without any hassle. I'm actually going to throw it out and say this analog Rekon 5 will go 3 kilometers away. It's about 2.5 Ks. And it only just started to break up. 5 out of 5 stars, guys. That's really decent. Thumbs up, drop me a comment. See you again soon, Sky Pilot. Catch you later on, guys. Take it easy. Bye for now.